sides. So how many triangles are there? Just one. What is the angle set up to? 180. Good. Okay. With a quadrilateral, how many sides are there? There's 4 sides. How many triangles are in there? 2. And so if there's 2 triangles, this triangle would be 180. This triangle would be 180, so that would be 360. Okay. Pentagon has 5 sides. How many triangles can fit in? 3 triangles. Okay, so 180 plus 180 plus 180 gives us 540. Okay, hexagon, how many sides? 6 sides in a hexagon. How many triangles? 4. 720. Are we starting to see a little bit of a pattern here? I hope so. Okay, heptagon, how many sides? 7 sides in a heptagon. So how many triangles do you suppose there are going to be? 5 triangles. And what do you suppose the sum of the interiors going to be? 900? Octagon has 8 sides. How many triangles? 6 and yep, 1080. Nonagon. 9 sides. How many triangles? 7 and 12. 60. Decagon. 10 sides. 8 triangles. 14. 40. Anybody know what 12 sides is? A dodecagon, that's my favorite. That's what I have. Alright, so if we look at this number of sides, right? How do we get to there? -2. Okay, so number of sides, -2, and then we took this number times what to get this number? 180. Alright, so that brings us to our formula. Okay, it is number of sides -2 times 180 will always give us the sum of the interior angles. Okay. If we talk about a regular polygon, okay, it says a regular polygon is one in which all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal, then all the angles are going to be equal. Okay, so let's say I had a heptagon and it was 900 degrees, and I wanted to figure out how many one angle was. What would I do? I would take 900 divided by the number of sides. Yep. So we're going to take that n-2 times 180. That gives us our total. Right? And then we're going to have to divide by the number of sides or the number of angles, which are going to be the same. If it's got 8 sides, it's going to have 8 angles. So far, so good? You would divide it by the number of sides. And that's what n is. So you might want to make a note on there. N equals number of sides 15 are gone. Right? And they want the sum. Right? So what do I have to do? I have to take 15 minus 2 and then times 180. So we're going to end up taking 13 times 180 and getting 2,000 what? 240? 2,340 degrees in a 15 of on. Okay? 21 gone. What do I have to multiply by 180? 19. So I got to take 21 minus 2. You get 19. Multiply it by 180. 3 what? 3,420. All right. Okay. That's where you see sum. Make sure that we are reading directions. Okay. If it wants each angle, okay, pentagon, how many sides? 5 sides. So I'm multiplying 3 times 180, because that gives me, I'm going to take that 5 minus 3 times 180 gives me 540. Now they want each angle, so I have to divide 540 by 5. So each angle is going to be 108 degrees. Okay, and 18 are gone. What do I multiply by 180? I'm taking 16 times 180 to give me 2,000 what? 880. But when I divide it to say how many 1 is, I'm dividing by 18. Yep. 160 degrees has to be each one of those interior angles. Horrible? No. But you have to know these formulas. Muy importante. That is very important in Espanol. All right. Exterior angles. Alright, remember exterior angles are on the outside. So this angle is 61. My interior angle is 61. What's my exterior angle have to be? What? 119? Because those make up what do they call it? Yep, you're right, it's 180. What are those two angles called? Linear pair, yep. So if this is 79, this is 101, this is 40, this is 120? No. 140. I swear you guys tell me wrong answers just to throw me off. Add them all up, what do you get? 360? So on a triangle, we've got 360. Okay. On a quadrilateral, okay, this guy's 71, this guy's 109, this is 124, this is 56, this is 76, this is 104, 109, 104. If this is 89, this is 91. Add them up, we get 360. Good. So both the triangle and the quadrilateral, we've gotten 360. What do you get in the pentagon? Anybody got it done yet? 360. Anybody can make a hypothesis here? 360. What's our conclusion? All exterior angles. So the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360. Okay, so interior angles, you've got to do those funky formulas. Exterior angles, the sum is always 360. Okay, so measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Well, what do they all equal? Together they equal 360. How many sides do it have? 6 sides. So each one has to be 60 degrees. Okay. In 6, 24 gone. Well, how many degrees? 360, because it's exterior angles, divided by 24. Each one has to be 15 degrees. All right, we have a regular polygon. We don't know how many degrees. Okay, so we have 12 degrees equals 360 times or divided by x. Anybody know how to solve this? Yeah, we got to go 360 divided by 12 because the way we would solve this is we have to get rid of that x on the bottom. So we multiply both sides by x. We have 12x equals 360. So now x equals 30 degrees? No, 30 sides. So this is what 30 is on. Right? 40 degrees. So we've got 40 equals 360 divided by x. So 360 divided by 40, x is what? 9 sides, which makes it a nonagon. It's so fun to say all those words. I know. All right.